Okay, so now you can see the screen is showing your textbook here, and this is part number 2 of the 7th chapter, which I already made in the clearing details in the part number 1 of the 7th chapter. So if you don't know the name, then you can easily understand that we are working over the very beautiful chapter who is actually consisting man needed since from the ancient time till now also, the man of steel, man of we can say iron, the Iron Man of India, Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the lesson's name is Post Independence of India. Means whatever the things happened before independence and after independence is actually referred as a theme lesson of this India. Now see, today we are reading the page number 50, and already if you have not seen my first part of this video, then you can go and see the first part of this video so that you can easily clear and you can come with this part. This is the part number 2. So page number 50, it shows a beautiful map. The map consists of international boundaries, state boundaries, and also country capital plus state capital. Therefore, if you go more further, then we can say okay, regionalism also was one of the factor which we needed to progress, which we needed to also work out with. Okay, so in the detail theory, we can say India has unity in diversity, and therefore the people of India are diverse with the religions, speaking languages, and belonging to the different kind of states, also race, caste, or their different sects. So culture have been actually divided accordingly, but it was not like that people are divided. Culture may be divided according to the religion, but people are not divided. People are still supporting India, and that is the power of India, because that is the best positive point of India. No other country in the world has such a diversity like India. That's how cultural progress in India is actually not associated with a particular caste, creed, but unification of the people and their support, the stability in the nation like India are actually worth seeing that, and that is how India is actually shining with the goodness, with the betterment of the cultural capital state name. Now see, one of the main reason to create the feeling of the regionalism are actually certain greeds also, some greedy people, the politicians. As you know that how are the politicians, therefore we can say okay, various communal groups were also exploited by the help of rights. Now who is doing the rights? The question will be there, that who is responsible for the right. So actually we can't take anybody's name, but we should understand that right is not a solution to fight for our own nation. We need to come closer, we need to talk with the peace, and also we can go with the good ideas and all. So the people who instigated regionalism and nationalism, and also somehow they made some harmful element activities to unity and to generate the unity and integrity. But unity and integrity is a topic which should be handled very with the ease. So the aspiration for the personal development is good thought, but one who possesses danger society at large never aspires for all the good for the country here. It means that if you are thinking good for yourself, if you are thinking good for the nation, it is good. But if you will think good for only and only yourself, it may create some kinds of crime. So instead of working towards one's country, it was necessary to work for all the countries here. Okay, if you don't understand this thing, then I would easily say that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel met to the people, the princely states people, or the prince, the kings and queens, and he said that you fight for your own nation. How much long you are going to survive? It's better we all fight all are with the same power, with the same nation. We don't fight with our one house. We need to fight for the all houses. So that was the condition. They accepted this thing here, and it became very obvious for the people speaking common languages, sharing common culture, living with the certain ideological thinkings and all. And in the geographical region, we can say in the internal region, they also connected themselves to develop the emotions. So that is how language, caste, religion are the three main important factors that created regionalism. It means the positiveness can be giving the negative effect also. Now language, if you talk about the language stimulation regulation, okay, that is language build up nation. Like North India, Hindi speakers were there. South India were like the Dravidian speakers, like they were speaking non-Hindis and all. So according to the language, the state and reorganization of the commission already implemented. Some of the officers and the other boundaries were also created, like linguistic boundaries and all. Gujarati speaking people must be remaining in Gujarat, and Marathi people must be remaining in Marath. If in the occasion if you want to come and go, it is very good enough. We are not blocking anyone. We are welcoming everybody, but we need to also follow the rules and regulation of the government. So that is how caste and religion means the people belonging to the different religion live in India, and that is the one thing we can say कि superiority of this particular religion exists in the certain we can say region. For example, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh have different customs, traditions, lifestyle and professions. So Bodo people of Assam are also actually demanding for their own a different religion. देखो, demanding for the state is what, demanding for the state is like you want to only take your people forward. You don't care about the public. So that is not a good thing. That is not at all a good thing. And that is how we can say Uttar Pradesh also, like Uttaranchal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Uttaranchal from Uttar Pradesh also were separated. And currently we can say demand for the separate nation Vidarbha is going on, as I said you, since from the Maharashtra time. So during the reorganization of the states, some of the regional conflicts can be seen here. Apart from that, some of the disputes can be also seen there, है ना? So that all the kinds of things are actually one of the byproduct of this kinds of separation. Now this is not enough. Okay, we need to go with the regional inequality. What is regional inequality? See, the foreign ruler did not undertake development. Okay, it's simple. Neither they take the activities in the places where they were not getting economical profit. So as a result, there was a regional inequality in such people. And after independence, the planning commission was formed. The main planning commissions was formed. And in fact, due to the regional pressure, certain politicians also they're facing tug of war. Tug of war means from the both sides, the pulling capacity was same. So we can say equal development was done, equal resources were generated, everything was like equally. So if two governments are fighting together, obviously they are going to give you equal benefits and all. Okay, and if both the persons are very powerful enough, then they'll become the friends too. So these are the basic things which I'm trying to make you understand, and also I'm trying to make you know about the theory. Now see, even if you go more further, then even the moderately development people or the moderately developed and developed states, internal equality in existing contributory was done. For example, Maharashtra is in the category of economical development states. State wise we divided. Okay, money wise, what is the amount of money in Kolkata, Maharashtra, Bihar, Bengal, Odisha, Chennai, Jharkhand? So money wise we divided the states too. So getting Andhra Pradesh also in the same queue, we can say while areas like Rayasilmas and all Telangana are considered to be the backward area. So some areas are considered the forward area, metropolitan area, urban area, and some are called in the backward areas and all. So this is how we can say agriculture was also somehow infested, and agricultural production was also done in such a way that they needed to actually come closer, or they needed to go with the green atmosphere. Now see, narrow belt between Maharashtra and Karnataka, Punjab, Haryana boundary issue is still going on. So narrow-mindedness is actually one of the things which is seeing in the people, and people are not understanding what are they doing and what will be its effect. Now see, I'll be reading some of the we can say some of the examples related to physical and science example. So you can focus here, that is on the page number 51, 52. So regional equality, as I said you, that equal resource and everything they need equally. So scientific and technical development at the time was also done. Now what was scientific and technical development? See, my dear, scientific and technical development is a key to progress, and if you don't focus on that, obviously your state, everybody is gonna live in the back lifetime, undeveloped time. So India has made extraordinary achievements in the field of science and technology in the last half decade, 50 centuries. Looking at the reasonably limited quantity or the limited resources, literally we can say literacy, India has growth field of science and technology in the comparison with the other world. Though we are illiterate, we all are not illiterate, but some of the kids are still not going to school. But sometimes they will be trying to go to school also. So we can say that comparison with the other development nations can't be done, but we can compare. At least we are that much deserving, we can compare. So literally we can say scientists like Dr. Homi Bhabha, I'll take some name, Dr. Raja Rama, like Raja Ramana, then Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, apart from that CV Raman, Dr. Saab, and lately we can say they all actually emerged in this kinds of field, and they all made this field so much going on that today also we can say students are going to learn there. Now who had also contributed remarkable, the students who are needing the amount of gift and all, they are also somehow focusing, and they're also reading very much clearly.